Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I want to do is just explain or tell you a little story about how affiliate marketing and YouTube changed my business but changed my life. And the reason why I want to tell you this story is to hopefully to inspire you to get going with affiliate marketing and get into YouTube, because I think it's one of the biggest opportunities for people to grow simple affiliate marketing businesses very easily. Because I think when most people think sort of YouTube and stuff like that, you need hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers to make money. And I'm here to say you do not. In fact, you don't need any subscribers at all, because what I'm going to share to you can help you potentially make money within 24, 48, even 72 hours. So stay and watch this video too, because because if you find this video interesting, I've got something really interesting for you that will really help you at the end of the video. And obviously, if you like it, why not subscribe to the channel? Okay, so let's get on it. So as you can see, here's my YouTube channel, but I just want to give you a quick backstory. So really from 2016 to 2018, well, more than that, really 2015, 2016 up until 2020, I was a solid media buyer. I was buying ads for clients. I was running Google ads, Facebook ads, all that kind of stuff. And from 2016 to 2018, I had a really good, a client that paid me a lot of money. But the problem was it was incredibly stressful. Felt stressed out, had no free time. I was working pretty much 7 days a week, and my client was pinging me messages all times a day, and it was affecting my life. End of 2018, I just couldn't take it anymore. Well, July 2018, couldn't take it anymore, and I just quit. So yeah, way it is. And then after that, tried to pick up some clients, but yeah, it was a long old road. And long story short, I nearly got myself into trouble big time because all of the money I'd saved was running out. Anyway, luck came my way. 2019, March 2019, I think it was, I started working for ClickFunnels. Now, if you don't know who ClickFunnels are, they're one of the fastest growing private software service companies, in North America, maybe the world. And they have built software that helps people to build sales funnels and grow business online. Anyway, I was working as a media buyer for them. Really enjoyed it. Long story short, after about a year, whilst I was enjoying it, ClickFunnels, I knew I wanted my own business. And long story short, I saw a post on Facebook from a guy called Fernando, and he ran a financial publishing company. In fact, one of the largest privately owned financial publishing companies in the world. And he was recruiting affiliates for a launch. And it was a crypto launch. Anyway, I've always wanted to work with this company, or part of the Agora company, because I think this company at the time was part of Agora. I always wanted to work with them, so I signed up as an affiliate. And really, that rest is history, really. I joined as an affiliate. I think the first launch I did, I made just over $1,000. I think a month or two later, did another launch, and I made a lot of money. I think total commission $15,000. So it was pretty incredible. And then I did a few more launches, and then I started promoting their front-end products, which are financial newsletters. So I did that, and I was promoting all of the, the launches and the financial the front-end publishing financial newsletters, using my skills as a media buyer. I was running simple Google ads and driving buyer traffic to the offers, and it was killing it. I'll be honest with you. I was making $10,000, $20,000 a month easy on clockwork, and I was only working about 2 hours a day on this business, and I was earning anywhere from 5-10 times more than I was at ClickFunnels. It was insane, and I was just on an absolute run. Long story short, end of 2021. 2021 was an insane year, but I noticed a lot of competitors were coming into the market. They were bidding on a lot of the keywords, bidding on for these offers, and my profit margins were falling. So I knew I needed to do something. So what I did was the company I work for, Legacy, as an affiliate, they allowed me to use all of their video files. So I basically loaded up one of their VSLs up to YouTube, and their VSLs are awesome. The interview style. So I knew it'd be great content. So I uploaded one for YouTube, not knowing what would happen. And long story short, that video took off. I was getting hundreds of views a day, and I was making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day. And that was probably only the second or third video uploaded to my YouTube channel. It was insane. And the light bulb went off on my head, and I thought, right, I've got to really double down on YouTube. So that set me off on my journey, growing my YouTube channel. And a long story short, over 2022, I wound down most of my paid ads and just focused entirely on YouTube. And basically the YouTube channel you see here basically runs my affiliate marketing business. And what I'm going to do is just give you an idea of how I sort of rank YouTube videos to promote affiliate marketing products. So just very quickly, let me just have a quick look. So I'm just going to show you some of my videos. So let me see if I can find a product video that's relevant. Yeah, so here we go. Here's a good example. So let's have a look. So if I go in here, so this video is a product review video. So basically what I do mostly on my YouTube channel is review affiliate products. And this is one of the products I've been promoting for 8 or 9 months. Basically, I do a really high quality product review video, review the product, give my thoughts on it, and then I upload it to YouTube. But crucially, I optimize the video for the product name because, and this is how it works, because if the affiliate products you promote, if they're being promoted hard, which they are, there's going to be a lot of search volume for the product names. And this product is called One Ticker Trader. So basically what I did, I optimized this keyword for one of the keywords I wanted to rank for, Larry Benedict One Ticker Trader. And just to give you a few little tips of how this works, the title and the thumbnail are incredibly important for ranking videos and getting viewed. So you got to, whatever keyword you're going for, you want it at the beginning of the title. And you want your title to be relevant, but as interesting and almost clickbaity as possible. So that's the first tip I'm going to give you. So what I do in the description, you just want to add the affiliate link you want to rank for. I've built an affiliate page in ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels as sort of like bridge pages to the affiliate offers, because that means I can run ads with them, but also, I think it just looks more professional than just putting a really long link. So yeah, that's how I do it. So I put my bridge page here that leads to the affiliate offer, and then what I do is I write a description, but I try and put the keyword here that I'm ranking for in the description 4 to 5 times, just to tell YouTube that I want to rank for that. I create the best YouTube thumbnails possible that are going to get clicks, that are relevant and clickbaity. I put all of the rank for, these are the keywords you want to rank for. This isn't as important as your thumbnail and the title, but I add all of the keywords I want to rank for there, and that's basically how I do it. Now, how quickly you can rank a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the results of this. So this is the product I show you, and these are all of my videos. This is page 1 for this product term. So there's page 1, and these are all of my videos, investment of a decade. So this is my channel, as you can see. So these are all of my videos I rank for. This is how powerful it is, and all of the people searching for this term, this product, are pretty much ready to buy this product. So as you can see, this is a really powerful system. And all of these videos combined bring me in $200 to up to $1,000 a day, depending on the day. Obviously, it varies. And here's another video. It shows not a fluke. So this is page 1, and this is I also promote crypto stuff as well. And this is my video investment of a decade. Let me see if I can find that video to show it for you. It's a bit further down. Yeah, this is one. So this video here is this video here. As you can see, this system is incredibly powerful. Now, I'm going to give you some more tips. Now, depending on how competitive the keywords you're trying to rank for, you're going to need anywhere from 5 to 10 videos in order to start ranking. If there's little to no competition, you could be ranking within 24 hours and start getting traffic and sales very, very quickly. But for other affiliates ranking for those keyword terms, you can start ranking after 5 to 10 videos. And that is really how I do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now, what I've also done is I'm also starting to broaden out, the keywords as well. So I'm doing more useful content videos that actually help people and give people value. So I'm bidding on terms, because seeing this is a financial channel, bid on terms such as Bitcoin and crypto. Seeing, they are competitive, but if these videos get traction, then I could get, thousands of views potentially. So once you've done the product review videos, then you can go out to more, higher volume keywords as it relates to your channel. And then you can start tapping into a much higher traffic volume. And that is basically how YouTube and affiliate marketing YouTube has changed my life. Just ranking simple little product review videos like this, like I've shown you and told you how I do it, but bring you in commissions day in and day out. And as long as these videos stay there, and which they will, they'll be bringing me sales day after day, month after month, year after year. And that is how affiliate marketing in YouTube has changed my life. And the thing is, not many people are doing this. Not many people talk about it. This is wide open, and Google wants to rank your videos. Why does it want to do that? Because it wants to, rank the most relevant, high quality content possible. And Google loves video. And this is why it is relatively easy to rank videos, not only on Google, but YouTube as well. Because YouTube, remember, is the second largest search engine on the planet. So you're ranking all of these videos on Google and YouTube. Incredibly powerful, an incredibly powerful system. Now, if you want to learn more about how this system works, this is how I learned it. I learned it from a guy called Paul Murphy. He's actually got an on-demand training where he's showing you how Google are now giving away unlimited free ads to grow your income. And these are the free ads, your videos. This is what it's all about. And in this free training, this isn't live, this is on demand, so you can watch it as and when you want. You can come here, just click this button, enter your email, and you'll be taken straight to video. So just to confirm, this isn't a live webinar. It's an on-demand training you can watch at your leisure. So I'll link to this down in the description below. Highly recommend that you watch this if it's something of interest, because Paul will take you from A to Z. Now, if you want to go even deeper, Paul also sells a course called Affiliate Tube Success Academy. This is how I learned how to do all of this. His course is awesome. He's got a 21-day challenge, and each of these modules takes you through step by step how to rank simple videos in YouTube and Google in order to get sales for your business. Whether you're an affiliate, you're a coach, a consultant, or you're an e-commerce business, this works any one of those. But I'm assuming you're watching this because you want to get into affiliate marketing. This business is great, or this traffic system is great for that. If you want to check out Paul's Affiliate Tube Success Academy and join it, I'll also link to this down below. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. That is how affiliate marketing and YouTube have changed my life. I hope you have found this video useful, informative. If you like it, why not like the video? Why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Thank you for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.